Hello students, I hope you all will be well. So in this video I am going to take the chapter The Unbreakable, and this Unbreakable, it is an autobiography which is written by MC Mary Kom herself. So we all know autobiography means if any writing which is done by a person himself or herself about his or her life. So this is the autobiography of this boxer, and she is very popular boxer because there was no woman except this woman who took this step to become a boxer. So in the Indian history we think, so this is the lady who took this initiative. So we have to just come to this now, that what are the different difficulties which she faced in her life, and how she achieved her goal. So we have to think about this also, and what are the different achievements she got in her life, and what are the different challenges which she faced in her life. So we will talk about all those things in this video. So so MC Mary Kom is a world boxing champion, and she got 5 times this award, World Boxing Championship award, and where she lived. So she belongs to Manipur, which is in East India. So it is one of the state of India. Okay, and it is a tribal region. So you can look in this that Mary Kom. So Kom is in the last of this name. तो आप देख रहे हैं कि मैरी कॉम में कॉम लास्ट में. सो कॉम इज द ट्राइब वेयर शी was living or where she lived, and the condition of the family of this boxer means Mary Kom was very pathetic. So it was not so good also. So that how she achieved this destiny. So we have to just think about this thing now. So she was born on 1983, 1st March 1983, and her parents were very poor. So their condition was not so good. So how she achieved her goal. So we have to just think about this thing. So, and the sports which she adopted and which she thought that I have to go in this sport, so that was boxing, and it was male dominated sport. तो आप जानते हैं कि बॉक्सिंग के अंदर आपका it is not, ठीक है, good that if any woman goes in that, because it is not considered good thing, because it is a male dominated sport. So if somebody is going in such a sport, so it is a very inspirational thing. Okay, and when she was thinking about this sport, when she entered in this, so शी डिड नॉट गेट एनी सपोर्ट. तो मैरी कॉम को कोई सपोर्ट आपका नहीं मिला आपका, बिकॉज वी ऑल नो दिस थिंग के दे आर सो मैनी मिथ्स इन द सोसाइटी. सोसाइटी के अंदर बहुत सारे ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं कि जिसको धारणा होती हैं, मिस कह सकते हैं, कि जो गलत मानी जाती हैं, कि दैट वुमेन कैन नॉट डू दोज थिंग्स, मेल कैन नॉट डू दोज थिंग्स, है ना. लड़की ये काम नहीं कर सकती हैं आपका, ये लड़कों के काम होते हैं आपका. सो देयर आर सम काइंड ऑफ थॉट्स विच पीपल हैव इन द सोसाइटी एंड विच समटाइम्स स्टॉप देम, है ना. उससे कहीं ना कहीं लोग, है ना, रोकने की कोशिश करते हैं. बट शी डिड नॉट stop herself here, and she did not have enough money. So she faced financial difficulty also. She faced financial challenges because she did not have proper kit. So we all know that if we are going in any sport and particularly the boxing, so हमें जो सामान की, जो इक्विपमेंट्स की ज़रूरत होती है आपका, so these should be in a proper manner so that we can learn in a proper way, or we can become a good boxer in a efficient manner. And she did not have enough money also, that's why that she used to go by the bus or the train. This is the thing which she did in the starting. And after that, boxing is considered a very unrespectable sport for the woman, because that it is the myth in the society that women are for home work. So those works which are in the home, within the four walls of the home, so they have to do those works, and cooking or caring children, and then washing clothes. So these are the different task which is to be done by the woman. तो ये हमारा मानना होता है आपका. But she wanted to prove this thing that woman can do everything. So that's why that she took this step, and she did that thing, so that everybody was very inspired by her. And you can look in this, that in the childhood that she was an athlete, है ना. and she was participating in different events, but her father did not know this thing. She participated in so many championship also, and so many awards she got at the state level. So she got 2000 state championship award also. And when her photo came in the newspaper, जब उनका फोटो न्यूज़पेपर में आया आपका, then her father got to know कि ये बॉक्सिंग कर रही है मेरी बेटी आपका. So she, and that her father scolded also कि है ना, दैट यू कैन नॉट गो इन दैट बिकॉज नो बडी विल मैरी यू. तो ये है ना, ये माना जाता है कि अगर आप इस तरह की चीज़ें करेंगे तो आपसे कोई शादी नहीं करेगा आपका. सो दीज आर द डिफरेंट थिंग्स विच शी फेस्ड. एंड आफ्टर कन्विंसिंग हर फादर, तो बहुत टाइम लगा इनको अपने फादर को कन्विंस करने के अंदर आपका. एंड बिकॉज दैट शी वॉन्टेड द सपोर्ट ऑफ हर फादर, बिकॉज ऑल अग्रीड विद हर एक्सेप्ट फादर. And thereafter that in 2001 she got silver medal in the 2001 women's amateur boxing championship. So ये वर्ल्ड लेवल की चैम्पियनशिप थी आपका, in which that she got a silver medal. So it was a very great achievement, so which she accepted or got. And thereafter that she got so many awards also from India, from Indian government, so like Padam Shri, Arjuna Award, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratan Award. So these are the different awards which are given for a different purposes. Like one is for the, one is civilian award like Padam Shri, Arjuna Award, something which is given for the sports. Also Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratan Award, it is also for that if somebody does any spectacular job or the work in any sport. And thereafter that International Boxing Association also gave an award in 2009. And thereafter that she became so much popular across all parts of the world. And in India everybody was aware of this boxer, that this is Mary Kom, and she became the first woman who achieved such kind of things in the life. And what was the biggest achievement which she did, that she married with one person, and her husband name is ऑनलर कॉम. तो इनके हस्बैंड का नाम ऑनलर कॉम था आपका. एंड ही शी गॉट टू sons also, and their names are that रोकेश्वर, रोकेम्बर एंड कुपनेवर. तो ये दो बच्चे थे जो ट्विंस पैदा हुए थे आपके मैरी कॉम के. सो शी लेफ्ट बॉक्सिंग फॉर 2 years बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. तो इसकी वजह से उन्हें बॉक्सिंग छोड़नी पड़ी आपका. एंड देन शी केम बैक आफ्टर 2 years. एंड हर हस्बैंड सपोर्टेड सो मच, और उनके जो हस्बैंड ने बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट करा आपका. एंड शी कंटिन्यूड आफ्टर दैट ऑल्सो. एंड शी अचीव्ड सो मैनी थिंग्स आफ्टर द बर्थ, है ना. तो कहीं ना कहीं उनको बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें आपकी मिली आपका. एंड शी गॉट द ब्रॉन्ज मेडल इन द 2012 लंडन ओलंपिक गेम्स ऑल्सो. ठीक है. सो दैट मेड सो मच पॉपुलरिटी among the people. And because of the blessings, maybe you can say that these are the blessings of the third son, because of him that she got such a popularity. And thereafter that है ना, she was very happy, and everybody was very happy that she did those things, and that India, ठीक है, it is a pride for India, and she feels proud also that I have done those things. Now that because there were three sons, so taking care of these three sons, it was a very difficult task also. So the जो twins थे आपके रोकेम्बर एंड कुपनेवर, so they took care of their younger brother, मीन जो तीन शिवलिंग था छोटा वाला, उसका ध्यान रखा. एंड दे हेल्प्ड इन द गैंगनम स्टाइल. ठीक है. तो वो अपने जो छोटे भाई थे आपको, उसको गैंगनम स्टाइल सिखाने में बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करे आपका. एंड शी बिकेम 5 time वर्ल्ड चैम्पियन. एंड शी वॉज वेटिंग फॉर दिस, कि दैट आओ, ठीक है, हाउ आई हैव टू जस्ट मीन्स लीड दिस स्पोर्ट in our country or in our state. So she took this step and she opened an academy. उसने एक academy खोली, boxing academy आपका, in 2006 in the Impal, which is the capital of Manipur. And in this academy that she helped so many people, because many people came to her and they asked that you have to just tell that how we can go in this, and you have to just teach us also, so that we can also do such kind of things which you did. So शी कुड नॉट से नो टू एनीबडी, तो वो किसी से नो नहीं कह सकती थी आपका. सो शी हेल्प्ड एवरीवन हु केम, जो भी हेल्प मांगने के लिए आया आपका उसकी मदद करी आपका. और एंड शी मेड सो मैनी बॉक्सर्स, है ना. सो मीन्स देयर वॉज एन इमरजेंस ऑफ द बॉक्सिंग बॉक्सर्स इन द, ठीक है, मणिपुर, इन द स्टेट ऑफ मणिपुर. एंड देयर आफ्टर शी गॉट अ लैंड फॉर द अकेडमी, तो उनको ज़मीन दी गई गवर्नमेंट के ज़रिए, मणिपुर गवर्नमेंट ने उनको ज़मीन प्रोवाइड करी आपका. एंड शी देन कलेक्टेड द फंड टू रन दैट अकेडमी, और उसके बाद उस अकेडमी को प्रॉपर रन करने के लिए टू प्रोवाइडेड ऑल द फैसिलिटी दैट शी टुक ऑल द स्टेप्स. ओके. एंड देयर आफ्टर दैट शी वॉज वेटिंग फॉर द ओलंपिक्स एंड शी वॉज वेरी एक्साइटेड, बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड थी कि दैट हाउ आई हैव टू अचीव द गोल्ड मेडल इन दिस वॉज द गोल विच शी हैड ओनली. तो वो सिर्फ ये अचीव करना चाहती कि मुझे गोल्ड हासिल करना ओलंपिक्स के अंदर. एंड शी पार्टिसिपेटेड इन द राव ओलंपिक गेम्स, एंड द कैटेगरी विच शी टुक दैट वाज 48 kg का था आपका. एंड देयर आफ्टर दैट शी, ठीक है, फॉर्ट इन 50 kg ऑल्सो. जैसे आपने देखा होगा दंगल मूवी के अंदर दैट द आमिर खान्स डॉटर ऑल्सो, है ना, मीन्स दैट पार्टिसिपेटेड इन द हैवी वेट, so boxing or wrestling. So likewise that she also took this step. And thereafter because she was very confident कि मैं 48 kg में गोल्ड मेडल इजीली, है ना, ले सकती हूँ, बिकॉज दैट शी won so many medals in that category 48 kg. So thereafter that she participated in 50 kg also. And she is considered the pioneer of the women's boxing in India. तो ये माना जाता है कि जो वुमेन बॉक्सिंग को जो स्टार्ट करा है इंडिया के अंदर, सो इट वाज स्टार्टेड बाय मैरी कॉम. सो बिफोर मैरी कॉम देयर वाज नो वन हु टुक दिस स्टेप. एंड many people got inspiration, particularly the girls and the women, and they came forward and they started joining this MC Mary Kom Academy. तो आप यहाँ academy देख सकते हैं. So this is the academy which was started by Mary Kom, and many people came here and they learned boxing also here. So Mary Kom, ठीक है, felt proud कि that I am just doing something so that I can, ठीक है, feel proud also, and it can be a pride for India कि that I am giving so many boxers फ्रॉम माई अकेडमी. एंड कहीं ना कहीं इससे इंडिया का क्या होगा, आपका स्टेटस जो है या गर्व की बात होगी आपका हमारे इंडिया के लिए आपका. सो दैट मैनी बॉक्सर्स आर कमिंग एंड शी फोकस्ड सो मच ऑन दोज बॉक्सर्स हु वो, ठीक है, हु वांटेड टू बिकम अ गुड बॉक्सर. सो इट वाज वेरी इंस्पिरेशनल थिंग. एंड वी ऑल नो दैट अगर हमें कोई चीज़ अचीव करनी होती है, सो वी हैव टू सेक्रीफाइस सो मच. सो उसी तरीके से सिमिलरली दैट मैरी कॉम ऑल्सो सेक्रीफाइस्ड, ठीक है, सो दैट शी डिड नॉट लिव विद हर फैमिली इवन एंड चिल्ड्रन ऑल्सो. तो इसकी वजह से कहीं ना कहीं आप जानते हैं कि दैट इफ़ यू वांट टू अचीव योर गोल और द सक्सेस, है ना, सो यू हैव टू जस्ट सेक्रीफाइस समथिंग. तो वो भी इसी तरीके से आप देखते हैं हमारी लाइफ के अंदर बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जिन्होंने सेक्रीफाइस करना होता है so that they can achieve the goal which they want to achieve. So this is the thing which was done by this Mary Kom. And thereafter that she took this step also, that she joined that PETA. So PETA means people for the ethical treatment of animals, which take care of the animals and they treat in a well manner those animals which are in the pathetic condition. तो बहुत सारे animals जो हैं वो बहुत pathetic conditions में होते हैं आपका. So this organization take care of those animals also. And thereafter she convinced so much to the woman that you have to just learn self defense. Okay, that for this thing that you have to take the trainings also so that you can protect yourself also. So there will be a self security. So it should be included in the study which we do in schools. तो ये कहीं ना कहीं करिकुलम का पार्ट होना चाहिए आपका. So it was, ठीक है, means focused by the that Mary Kom. So we can see that what are the different things which she did in her life. And Mary Kom, she got inspiration, and her idol is Muhammad Ali, and who was also a boxer, and he was from America. And there was a will and determination which she got from this boxer, that Muhammad Ali. And in 2019 she got, okay, a wonderful, ठीक है, title. And in she participated in that also 2014 Commonwealth Games in Glasgow. So we can see that she got more medals in different championships, or we can say the games which were held. So you can look in this, that what are the different difficulties which she faced in her life to achieve the goal. So this was the dream which Mary Kom had, and Mary Kom did not lose her hope. She was very determined, she was very focused, she was very confident that I have to do this thing. No difficulties can stop me. So whatever you want to achieve in your life, so be determined and be focused, okay, and be positive also.